Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix high RAM memory CPU disk usage in Windows 10 11. Right click on start button, click on run, type services.msc, click on OK, click on SAYS main, right click and click on properties, startup type should be disabled, click on exit. Right click on start button, click on run, type sysdm.cpl, click on OK, click on advanced, click on settings, select adjust for best performance, click on apply, click on OK. Right click on start button, click on run, type clean mgr, click on OK, select all and click on OK. At the bottom right corner, click on Windows Security, click on Virus Threat Protection, click on Scan option, select Full Scan, click on Scan Now. Right click on Start button again, click on Task Manager, click on Performance, see the CPU disk memory usage, how was the performance, click on Exit. That's it, thanks for watching.